Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am back with a special box from Sips By. So this box is pretty special. It is all about gathering up your girlfriends and having a tea party. So this one you can get everybody in on the act. So right here on the front of it, it's going to show you guys that this is Galentines tea. And just like with the other Sips By boxes, on the back, it's going to give you details on all the teas that you're going to receive in your box. And if you're not familiar, Sips By is a monthly tea subscription company that is $15 a month. But if you use my code FREEBIES5, then you will get $5 off of your first box. And let's get into these and see what they have inside. So one of the things that I'm loving that Sips By is starting to do recently is give you guys some extra little tea bags. This is like the cutest thing. I love the little Sips By symbol. And of course on the inside, like I said, they're giving you some additional tea bags. So this is the cutest thing. So I tried to kind of like basically, I guess you say, dress for the moment. So I have like my little hearts here. So I have my little hearts here on my shirt and I just love it, love it, love it. So this first one here is from Cupid's Teas and it says, "Somebody loves me tea." And this is the black tea smitten with rose, chocolate, and strawberries. That is so cute. That smells really good. You can definitely smell the chocolate and the strawberries. So I'm gonna take one of my little Sips By bags. And this is what I mean when I say I give you these additional bags and you just fill it up and basically make your own teas. Pretty cute. Pretty simple. This is Teeccino, and they gave four of their teas here. And this one is Boutique Chocolate Raspberry. I'm definitely loving the theme that they have here. This one is the Boutique Chocolate Raspberry. So yeah, definitely going with a good theme here with all these chocolates and these fruity flavors. I love the name of this one. It is called Soulmate. That is so cute, Soulmate. And with Soulmate, it is the organic Yerba made Mocha blend. Love it. I love this time of year. I don't know. I could be a little biased, maybe because my birthday is in February. But yeah, you have another one in which you can individually fill your teas with those bags. And last but not least, inside of this Galentines box, you guys can find this cute one. This is so cute. I love this name. It's called Tealightful. And with Tealightful, this is another one that is a chocolate. And this one is actually chocolate chai. And this is a loose leaf black bag. Guys, this is the month of love. And I am enjoying everything that was inside of this box. And if you guys are interested in grabbing some as well, I'll have all the information down below in my description box. And I will see you all in my next Sips By video. Bye guys.